It's here again. It's the Super Clash. A Samba game at the Babanyaro Sports Stadium. And Sunday, December 15, 3 p.m. It's Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Glorious Accra Asante. And Beye butu.
Ose Kumni Kumasi for a many new striker. Awetamo on the 15th. Mumbe Taichi.
Where so the Edda from Kulam, Popular Stand, 20 Ghana cities, Center Line, 50 Ghana cities, and the VIP for a cool 100 Ghana cities is the Super Clash at the Babanyaro Sports Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Accra Asante. Empire Asia, and we are doing a pepe near Beer Gate, 3 p.m. Ha. Mama Yesia, I was the Babanyaro Sports Stadium, Kwasiada, 15 December 2024.
Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo.
Ghana Premier League match day 13 and so a resume and yɛde ho update na sosonom etimi edi eba yebe room our the Continental Club Masters as we Accra to folk and day yɛde more update if we club players no and so arrival yɛde nyina sosonom etimi edi eba players mo make trip no omo so entimi ambeki trip no afi bi di nkomo players ni bi akasa den nsem bi atodwa coach edema team efenesa Accra to folk akasa eden sembi atimi atudwa na yede ani tete Kotoko training grounds yehu de no so ekose wo so etide no so etimi ko yedi nkomo pii na enso so ho akese de nyina so no enso so etimi ebane your first time wo hwe dwumadi a subscribe share for comment no enso etimi to ase boko na bibia so no entimi enko so kama epacho ene about 3 o'clock p.m. games we nyina so 8 me eba so Accra Lions any Nations FC and a day ebony enso ewo ho Brekum Chelsea any Adriana Stars enso and a Holy Stars any Young Apostles and a day ebony Kara United any team ye fan say a Bibiani Go Stars and a day ebony Legon Cities any team fan say Team United and a ebo in Swaterman any Dreams FC and so and a ebo FC Samates any Heart of Lions and a day ebony Vision FC ni Mediama and so a day ebony and a day na nyambo china me pache no so etimi akoye Asante Kotoko any team I fan say to folk etimi about 3 o'clock p.m. me pache so far say na Ghana Premier League table no and so etimiti Bibiani Go Stars di kan ewo 23 points Nations FC tosumi no ewo 22 points Heart of Lions tosumi ensa ewo 21 points Mediama toso 9 ewo 21 points 5th position AB Team United ewo 20 points Heart of Folk eda 6 ewo 19 points 7th Asante Kotoko ewo 18.8 Samata 17.9 Brekum Chelsea ewo 17 10th Holy Stars 15 11th in Swaterman 13 points 12 Young Apostles 13 13 position Adriana 12 points 14 Kara United 12 points 15 Dreams FC 11 points 16 Legon Cities 11 17 Vision and so 11 points and 18th and so team ye fan say Accra Lions are 9 points and so ho sabepe and so 8 me pacho and and so tima ye fan say Accra to folk the Continental Club Masters na amoso so no etimi abehwem and so Kumase ache say amoso so etimi ebc Kumase tech na ache say players no na say team no so etimi be turu Kumase bibia so no etimi ekoso a amoso hwanimu say amoso bit my training any day na afei no nyambo china game no so etimi apaso na me pacha mo ba no players we mo na chese omo so etimi any team no ebe pie mu enso so ewo near for se Kumasi Sharif Mohammed eka ho Benjamin Asare enso so etimi Johnny team no Ahmed Ramze Yusuf enso so etimi ka ho Salim Adams eba Hussein Mohammed enso etimi ka ho Theophilus Collinson Enoch Asubonten Martin Kakari Raphael Amponsa Emmanuel Amankwa boy phone say Kevin or say SCP Michael Awa Mensa Ransford Mensa Samuel Amufa Humphrey Tete Mawuli Wayo Jaja Abdraman Isaac Frimpong Hamza Isa and Stephen Apia Sankiki among and itimi Johnny Tripono artist amusum BPMO Ewo near phone say Kumasi Benjamin Asari Sharif Mohammed Ahmed Ramzi Yusuf Salim Adams Hussein Mohammed Theophilus Collinson Enoch Asubonten Martin Kakari Raphael Amponsa Emmanuel Amankwa Kevin Osei Asipe Michael Owamensa Ransford Mensa Samuel Amufa Humphrey Tete Mauli Wayo Yaya Adraman Isaac Frimpong Hamza Isa Stephen Apia Eye Asare Shankiki Omo enso so na itimi travel from Accra to Kumasi just say Udwani Chim and so ewa near phone say Kumasi musabe PM and so ewa tech I just say oh and almost we mu eja na fe na so training session atimi apaso na o ma hwene mu se nyambo cha 3 o'clock pm game no so ebitima koso me pa chaw am on the lives of boya ye phone say Abdul Aziz Nuruddin mo nyina so ent onum say Abdul Aziz Nuruddin has to folk friendly gamer omo boy tia team my phone say Uncle Tino Abdul Aziz Nuruddin and so enya opportunity enso so etimi epobi na me pacho game we no omo bane din enka ho kwasin katia enso so goalkeeper che so no so bane din enka na Asamoah Boateng so ye play be na che se ono me bra okoye trials no obaye na che se onye fit sa ante no duty enu nti no ono so entimi anka ho bi ana boy for no say David Opanafan ne de ono so no obi a oye fit na enso so no yenim the reason dia empanifo no so antimi amfa no anka ho abet akwasi amanfo enso so no antimi anka squad no ho ana boy for ne say Sani Mohammed eka team no ho bai na onum say Sani Mohammed ekopeke injury enso so Black Garages camp a che say wono kunya da injury no obai ne empanifo so timahwe na wonye fully fit na mo travel with the team no a almost be PM so ewo Kumasi nimom according to the report say no eba no say Sani Mohammed no ono so entimi nsi akan emfama team a yefa ne say Accra to folk na me pa chawo onim say opanyina yefa ne say Nana Yaw Amankwa wono assistant coach e de ma team a yefa ne say Accra to folk wakasa den simpi na timi atudwa ahead of game etimi baso nyambo china 3 o'clock pm.
Good evening, coach.
Good evening.
Welcome to Has TV.
Thank you.
How has the break ahead of the Super Clash helped your team so far?
Yeah, let me send my greetings to the viewers and the listeners, especially Accra House of Folk supporters. I think the break also helped us because all the nations are making it very important break for the nation because of the election. And coming back to the training, the preparation also is okay. I think it's fine.
Talking of the preparation, how is the preparation for the Sunday clash against Kotoko?
It's normal. It's normal preparation we used to prepare for every team. That is what we are in now.
Is there any pressure on the team ahead of this Super Clash?
The dynamics between Accra House of Folk and Asante Kotoko more or less is different because of the caliber of the clubs and the nature of that clubs. The big clubs in Ghana, people call it El Clasico of Ghana. That's the difference. I think everything, we are working very hard. Everything is fine.
Is there any injuries in camp?
Normally, Sani have a knock since we played against Insuatramine. Is yet to come. Amankwa, also Befi is also yet to come. That is the only injuries we have.
Okay, coach, what message do you have for your players first, and what message do you have for the fans?
The players, we are with them. So we normally encourage them psychologically, we prepare them physically, and then we also motivate them.
And what will be the message to the fans?
The fans, they are super already. I always say that Accra House of Folk supporters, they are super. We are urging them to come to support the team in Kumasi. I think their support also will help us to ginger the boys, and then they will do well, and they will be smile after the game.
All right. Thank you very much, coach.
Thank you.
Na eno echi no owura mu soso a Isaac Frimpong enso player edema team a ye fane say eye Accra to folk ono so join team no from Accra ebepie mu ewu Kumasi a chese ono so ba amo so ede nsem Accra etu edwa yintie nsem Isaac Frimpong enso ede tu edwa.
Isaac, Akwa Batu has TV.
Okay.
Sunday Super Clash. Any Asante Kotoko. Preparations for the game to saying so far.
The Nyamiasi. Wow, out music preparation is very cool. Wow, Amboa, any coaches in the colleagues. Yeah, wow, music very cool. Yeah, and I boy so that intimate. Yeah, trying to say that Nyambo Sunday in Bidru. It drew so a grown form. Sebrening crabby and a veterinary.
A grown form. Pressure Damoswana.
Pressure the be in dice. Yeah, if you say. Near my family training, I have from it means a Yamboa Sunday the obsession when Munyam and Empire Ebo and I say a dark Yamboa Sunday the bedroom yet needy a grown ambasso.
The Sunday, then a person catch a fans no.
Near bet me a can cacran say a dark Yamboa Sunday no. Oman for Munyam new Mutumi Metayachi. If it's a sa boy ready, the fans want me and bar, and as a fans and bar. Yeni bia nti yesro mo se mo fo mo nyame ne mo kunudi meta echi na nyame pa kunudi betimi afuma ba.
Okay, Isaac, that's it.
Yes, that was.
Eno Isaac Frimpong semono any coach I phone said na Yaw Amankwa semono ana am osom enso etimi atibi na pepa chaw eno ye series ko e wo team I phone say Accra to full camp into foul prediction enso etimi to was nyambo china game no ebeko say yanko Asante Kotoko camp enkodi nkomo enra enya opportunity enso som etimi ye ni wura mu enso ko hwede no so ko so sanse game no ba de untimi entina fi also wuram e Kumasi na afi no anya mpatam na oba Kumasi dia also wuram na afi no Kotoko training ground so no oso ko hu dia no so etime koso na me pa tie enro wuram e wa Asante Kotoko side so a players a wodo pie na so etime touch it down o training ground so goalkeeper no ye hu Frederick Asare e ho ye hu Kamara enso e ho ye hu players bi te say Emmanuel Kote enso ho Lord amwamom Justice Nkuku blame Joseph Eya Apro Henry Eye Ansumon, the lives of boy phone is Andrews Intimano, Michael Che Jaminamon, Emmanuel Entry, Baba Jaya, Samuel Tenedu, Teba for Awuche, boy friend is Wisdom, Fernandez Basi, and some etimi Uramo Elho, Saka, Dauda, Kwampuku, boy phone is Samba Unel, Victos, Aya Amuka. And so and now also 8 me about training grounds for boy friends Jordan Amisa Samson Eduku Isaac Minta and also so 8 me about training grounds and ra ta and so some ewonia your friends say AJ Sports Complex na and ra boy friends say Isaac Minta and so and Samson Eduku Amoko near phone say koto abana bae no aje say players mo emma training grounds emi training no so bae e ba be training e de ma team phone say Asante Kotoko bibia nso no course no mom Isaac Minta enso so antimi anye full training na wonim say me catch say Kotoko fo mpanifo eguso e hwe na mum say omosom ebetima wuram na afi Nyambo Asante omososom etima very 3 players entino ene likely say boy phone say Isaac Minta enso so ene Samson Eduku no enso behwe ne musenka omo so betima sign contract na Edema Asante Kotoko so omo sign contract na nyambo china unveil no enso beba so 3 players and I just say Kotoko company for enso pesa omo unveil omo the lives of boy for se Kwampoku boy for se Samson Eduku ene Isaac Minta enti se ne day no be part of bia so timi koso kama na mpanifo no so ne boys no enso trans no musi bitimi sign contract nyambo china omo be 3 players na actually fans no awo Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium sene so say game na eba so no gate fee no 20 Ghana cedis for popular stand enso so center line at 50 Ghana cedis and then VIP enso so enya ye for say 100 Ghana cedis just also kwa na also wetimi akoto de kama na wetimi akohwe game no na bibia also wetimi akoso Kotoko ne hase de obi anso wuram enso so ewani ye for say Kumasi anyene mpata mu nyambo china yenyina yebewuram enso so ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium na for the game no the Ghana Super Clash Ghana El Clasico no yeso wetima enjoy game no kama enso so ewo bese enso say ne Ghana Premier League Matchday 13 enso 8 minutes ewo next video.